hope you're all well. I'm okay, alhamdulillah. So today we're going to make an easy recipe as always at Farahskitchen. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not, please, thank you for coming back to Farahskitchen. And for more recipes, don't forget to tag your friends, don't forget to share this video. So our recipe for today is a chicken curry. I know I have one video of mine, I'll link it in the description box below. It's a butter chicken curry, but this time it's going to be a different kind of chicken curry. It's so easy and quick. And guys, in case you want to try out my recipes, you want to try out my dishes, and you're around Kampala, please, you can place your orders. Maybe if you're having a party, in case it's a birthday party, a bridal shower, a small gathering at home, you can place in your order, and I will surely come and make the best I can. So please do support me on that, and trust me, you won't regret it. These are my ingredients for today. I have onions here. These are 2 large onions. Then I have my curry leaves, as you can see. These are fresh, I just got them from. Then I have my garlic, black pepper. I have my curry powder, or should I say masala. Then salt, chicken, and my tomatoes. These are 3 large blended tomatoes. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to put in my onions, sorry. So we're going to fry this till it turns golden. So guys, at the moment, I'm going to put in my curry leaves. Oh. Just like that. It's already smells so good. Then I'm going to put in my 1 teaspoon of garlic. So I'm going to fry this for a while, for about 5 minutes. Then after, I'm going to put in my tomatoes. So let's put in our salt according to your taste. This is 1 tablespoon of salt. Then you add a half. Then I'm going to put in my masala, 1 teaspoon and a half, just like that. Mix this again. So at the moment, I'm going to put in some water. This helps in removing all the spices that are left down. So I'm going to let this cook till the water that I've put reduces or gets done completely. Then after, I'm going to fry it for some few minutes, then put in my tomatoes. So guys, as you can see, the water that I had put has reduced. It's now just the oil and the onions, and the onions have helped in browning the chicken, and this is going to put flavor into the chicken. So I'm going to fry this for a while, then put in my tomatoes. tomatoes have cooked and our sauce has developed some oil. This is a sign that everything you're doing is now perfect. So I'm going to mix this. I have my one more ingredient, and that's black pepper. Let's mix this. So I'm going to put in some water to cook the chicken. So remember the blender I used to blend in my tomatoes? This is the same blender I've put in the water so that we couldn't waste the remaining tomatoes. So let me first mix this more so that it fries so well. The more it fries, the more flavor you get into your chicken. But if you don't let it fry, trust me, your chicken won't have any flavor. The meat of your chicken won't have any flavor. So it's better you fry it more, longer, so that you could get a better taste of your chicken. So guys, this is my final chicken curry. As you can see, it's so easy. We only need a few ingredients. Let me serve this in a bowl, just like that. This is just perfect and easy, as you've seen. And if you don't have the curry leaves that I had put, that's also okay. You can just use coriander instead. So this is our dish for today. As you've seen, it's so easy to make at home and delicious. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and come back to Farah's Kitchen for more recipes. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.